Hello everyone. I don't really know how to go about this. I will be building the ADF-01 Falken from the Ace Combat series. I'm sure most people who watch this video already know a bit about this plane. I'll be making this one mostly out of foam, wire cut foam, and some 3D printed parts. So in this video I'll start the build process, and I start with the wings, was probably the most difficult part of the aircraft to make. So, like most foam builds, I started by making shapes of the outline of the wings and cut them out of cardboard in order to cut the blanks of the wing. Those parts I made for the outer part of the wing, which I swept and have a pretty weird shape. The inner part of the wing is just a rectangle, so it can be cut in a simpler way with only guides. Now comes the really difficult part of the build, which is cutting the airfoil out of the part of foam. The rectangular section is the simplest part and also the only simple part, because it's just a section of straight wing. However, the swept section have a lot of sweep and tapering, which would normally make them really hard to build, but this time I didn't have much trouble. So either they're kinda easy in a way, or I am getting better. After cutting all the wing panels, I sanded them off camera and then glued them using white glue for this particular build. It works very well for gluing foam. I then added the spars of the wing. They're just wooden sticks glued in with white glue again. Okay, so at the wings currently, I put the spars to glue. They're not entirely done yet. That will be done in the next video, hopefully. I plan to put the add points for the engine nacelles here, but my 3D printer is currently having some issues. And when that will be done, I will cover it with Pullman fiberglass. This should work nicely. hopefully.